Let us start learning Java by first understanding how Java programs are written and executed. First off, we need to understand the tools or environment that are required, and then I'll show you how to download and install them. For developing Java program, we require JDK, which is short for Java Development Kit, and to execute the Java program, we require the JRE, which provides us with a Java class library, and the JVM, on which our Java programs are actually executed. JDK is like the complete package, inside which we have compilers, debugging tools, the runtime environment, etc., which will help us write the Java programs and execute them. So, if you install JDK, along with that, you will also get the JRE and JVM, and you don't have to install them separately. Now, before installation, I will show you how these things are used. First of all, let us say we have written our Java program, hello world.java. We will use Java C. This is the Java compiler provided within our JDK. This compiler will take our program file and it will give us a file called helloworld.class. This is also called as bytecode. Now for executing this class file, we have to use the Java command followed by the file name, that is hello world, and command line arguments if any. Don't worry about this, we'll see command line arguments in upcoming videos. The Java command is the Java launcher or interpreter. It's used to run the compiled bytecode using JVM, which is a core component of the JRE. What you need to remember is that we use Java C for compilation and Java for execution. Now let us see how to download and install Java on our computer system. So now let's begin with downloading the JDK and then we'll install it. So you'll have to go over to this website. I'll link it down in the description below. You can see there are multiple versions 24, 21, and a lot more. So what you need to do is you'll have to pick a LTS version. So LTS is the long term support. So this version would have the least amounts of bugs, and even if you face any bug, then the Java team would be there to fix it as soon as possible. Let's head over to JDK 21. Over here you'll have to pick your respective operating system. In my case it's gonna be Windows. I'll head over to Windows, and there are multiple versions. I'll just go with this one. So now the download is completed. I'll head over to the downloads folder, and you can see over here the installer file. I'll just double click it to run. I'll say next, and you can configure the download path here. I'll just keep it to the default. So if you want to see some tutorials or the API documentations and release notes or any of that stuff, you can click on next steps. Otherwise, just click on close. So now let's confirm whether JDK has been installed properly or not. For that, press Windows plus R on your keyboard and then type in CMD for command prompt and hit enter. Over here, what you need to do is type in Java and hyphen version. As you can see, it shows Java 21, meaning that it has been successfully installed in our system. Let's also confirm in the install location. So as you can see here, we have successfully installed JDK 21. Within the bin folder, you'll find all the necessary stuff like the Java compiler and the interpreter. As you can see over here, we have Java C, which is the Java compiler, and over here we have Java. This is used to run our Java programs. In case you do not see this Java version and you see something like Java command not found, that may be the issue of environment variables not being set in the path. For most of the Java latest versions, the Java path is automatically set, but if you are facing the issue with it, I'll show you in the next video how to fix it.